Hello Aqua buddies, how are you guys? What's up? Today I am here for you and I have brought another video guys. Today's topic is very interesting guys. Today I am gonna tell you that how to keep the aquarium water cool, especially in the summers. As you can notice that some of plants are showing the symptoms of the higher temperature, so we must have to keep the aquarium water cool for the proper growth of the plants. Guys, for the proper growth of the plants, the optimum range of temperature is round about 70 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the terms of centigrade, it should be around 21 to 28 degrees centigrade maximum. And if the temperature of the water goes beyond 28 degrees centigrade, then the plants may show the symptoms of the higher temperature and their leaves will start melting out and you will not get the proper growth. So it is very necessary for you that we have to maintain the temperature in summers. So in this video I am going to tell you that how you can make the DIY fans for cooling down the water, and guys, it is very cheap and very easy way. So stay tuned with me and we are gonna start the video. So guys, now we are gonna make the DIY fan for the aquarium for cooling purpose, because in summers we have got too much temperature. So here are the stuff which we are going to use, and we are going to make it very simple. First of all, we need adapter and we need CPU fan or computer fan, and here we have a piece of wood around 1.5 feet. It must be according to your width of the aquarium or some inches larger than your width of aquarium. And here we have the screwdriver, and here I've got some screws. So these are the things which we are going to use for making DIY fan. So let's see. So guys, this fan is of 12 volts and we need 12 volt adapter, as you can see, DC 12 volt, and here we have got the adapter of the same voltage. You can see 12 volt output and 2.0 amperes. So this is a 12 volt adapter and we are gonna operate the fan by this adapter. But now I'm gonna show you that how we will fix it. And we have two fans and these both are of 12 volts capacity. So we are going to install this. Guys, one thing you have to consider the positive and negative terminal of the adapter while you are installing the fans, because we want fan to suck air from this side and throw from this side. So we have to install the fan like this, and we will install the other fan like this. And here we are going to fix these two fans, and we will fix them with the help of screws, and I show you. So guys, now we have placed the fans at the top of the aquarium, and here you can see you can adjust the position of the fans according to your requirement like this, and it will not get replaced by the pressure of the fans. As you can see, it is quite firm. And now what we need to do, we are just going to switch on the fans and we'll see the results. So guys, now you can see the fans are working very fine, and you can see the thrust on the surface of the water, from here I show you. So this is the procedure you can make DIY fans for your aquarium, and this is the cheapest fan you can make. You just need a computer fan or CPU fan and 12-volt DC adapter and nothing else, just a piece of wood and some screws. So I think that you liked it, and I hope that you will also try if you don't want to buy the branded fans which are available in the market. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.